Health officials are trying to track down people who may have been exposed to measles.
And this comes after the health district confirmed a case of the measles here in Clark County. Fox 5's Cassie Milnerick is live in studio, and she's been speaking with the head investigator for this outbreak. Cassie.
Yeah, that's right. Go ahead and take a look at all these different locations behind me here. It's all the places that the infected person visited while they were considered contagious. They're places like grocery stores, a Starbucks, and a local ER. Right now, the health district is trying to track down individuals who went to these locations at the same time as the infected person, stressing that even though most people nowadays are vaccinated against measles, but even vaccinated individuals can contract the disease. Costco, Albertsons, Trader Joe's, these are just some of the places visited by a person infected with measles while they were contagious.
You know, they have runny nose, they have cough, and so they're spreading it through respiratory droplets, kind of like the flu.
Dr. Vit Kraushar with the Southern Nevada Health District is the lead investigator for this case. He says measles can be a difficult illness to prevent, especially when the symptoms can appear as late as 21 days after exposure. He says people infected with the virus will have flu-like symptoms, but then develop a rash.
People are infectious around 4 days before the onset of the rash to 4 days after.
Health officials say the infected person visited these 9 locations between December 10th and the 17th, and that people who were there at the same time could be at risk. Dr. Kraushar says most people are vaccinated.
So the fact that so many people in the population are vaccinated against measles prevents an imported case from turning into a big outbreak.
And he says the vaccine is highly effective, but some vaccinated people could still be at risk.
And there are certain people, you know, who may have had immunization in the past, but you know, they are still susceptible. For example, people with really weakened immune systems.
Right now, the health district says it's testing people who are at risk and who were exposed, but it will take some time before we know if this case of measles is contained.
If it's been 42 days since the last person was infectious, that's usually, you know, when we sort of say, where we can sort of let our guard down a little bit.
And the health district has listed specific dates and times when the infected person visited these locations. We want to tell you what to do if you think you may have been affected. Make sure you review your immunization status. Make sure that you are vaccinated. You should also contact your health provider if you are not immunized against measles and you get a rash and fever within 21 days. You can find all that information on our website. Just head to fox5vegas.com. Live in the studio, Cassie Milnerick, Fox 5 News, Local, Las Vegas.